Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you 7 essential Figma tips that will instantly improve your design workflow. Whether you're just starting out or want to speed things up, these tricks will help you work smarter and cleaner. Let's jump right in. Tip number 1, auto layout. If you're still manually adjusting padding and spacing, auto layout will change your life. Select a frame or group of elements, hit Shift+A, and boom! Now everything inside adjusts automatically. You can control spacing between items, padding around them, and alignment. Resize the frame and the content adapts. It's perfect for buttons, cards, and lists. Tip number 2, components and variants. Instead of copying and pasting the same button everywhere, turn it into a component. Right-click, choose Create Component, and now you can reuse it across your design. Want different states, like hover or disabled? Add variants. This way, you can switch styles with one click and keep everything consistent. Tip number 3, use styles. Figma lets you save text styles and color styles. That means you don't have to manually set font sizes or hex codes every time. Create a heading style, a body style, and maybe a caption. Same with colors. Define your primary, secondary, and background colors as styles. Then, if you ever want to change a color or font, just update the style and it applies everywhere. Tip number 4, smart selection. When you select multiple objects, Figma gives you alignment and distribution tools. Want to space cards evenly? Select them all and click Tidy Up. You can also use Shift-click to select specific items or drag a selection box. It's a fast way to clean up messy layouts. Tip number 5, layout grids. Add an 8-point grid to your frame to keep spacing consistent. Click on the frame, go to Layout Grid, and set it to columns or rows. This helps you align elements properly and follow design systems. It's especially useful for mobile and web layouts. Tip number 6, keyboard shortcuts. Learning just a few shortcuts will save you tons of time. F for frame, T for text, R for rectangle, Shift+A for auto layout, and Command or Control-D to duplicate. You don't need to memorize everything, just start with the ones you use most often. Tip number 7, quick prototyping. Figma makes it super easy to link screens. Switch to prototype mode, drag the blue arrow from a button to another frame, and choose On Tap, Navigate to. You can even add transitions like Smart Animate. Hit the play button to preview your flow. It's great for testing ideas or sharing with teammates. Bonus tip, explore Figma community. There are thousands of free resources, UI kits, icon sets, templates, and plugins. Just search, duplicate, and start designing. It's a great way to learn and speed up your process. And that's it, 7 quick tips to make your Figma workflow smoother and faster. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design tutorials. Let me know in the comments which tip helped you most, or what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching.